Hey, this is David Sickles, editor of Tire Review, and welcome to the Tire Review AI Insights podcast. It's an analysis of the most impactful tire industry trends that could impact your bottom line, and it was built using AI that I have personally developed and trained. Now, we're analyzing context and trends surrounding the stories we publish at a scale that used to not be possible, and our AI hosts have distilled those insights into a format that will ultimately make you more money. Would love to know what you think. Enjoy.
Welcome to the Deep Dive, your shortcut to staying informed. Today, we're taking a fascinating plunge into a stack of industry insights. Okay, let's unpack this. We're diving into the buzzing world of tires, exploring the late August trends and innovations, the stuff that's really reshaping the industry, from the factory floor right down to your local auto shop.
Exactly. And our mission today really is to cut through some of the noise. We want to highlight the surprising shifts, maybe, and the critical developments, things that offer you a clearer understanding of where the tire market is actually headed. It's not just about what's happening, but digging into why it matters for the bigger picture, for your business, and what might be next.
Yeah, and here's where it gets really interesting, I think. We saw just this flurry of new tires announced, each one designed for very specific and sometimes pretty surprising purposes. What I find incredible isn't just the design, it's the sheer variety of problems they're engineered to solve now.
Absolutely. You're seeing this clear market bifurcation and a real push towards advanced technology. So take BF Goodrich, for example. They've expanded their all-terrain TA KO3 line, that's over 100 sizes now. But at the same time, they're launching the high-performance G-Force Rival Plus Motorsports tire. So it's not just more options. It really reveals this crucial market split, doesn't it? Are you seeing that kind of demand spike in both rugged utility and high performance in your shop? How are you adapting inventory, maybe marketing, to capture both ends?
That's a great point. It's definitely clear tires aren't just round and black anymore. They're highly engineered solutions. But what about the really cutting-edge stuff, the things pointing toward the future?
Yeah, beyond those, let's call them traditional segments, we're seeing tires integrate much more deeply into future vehicle systems. Continental's a contact line, for instance, that's specifically designed for autonomous vehicles. A real peek into what's coming. And, they're also showing this deep commitment to sustainability. Using silica from rice husks in production, it shows tires evolving with vehicle tech and environmental concerns. But for the average independent shop listening, how realistic is it to prep for that future right now? Are there immediate steps you should be thinking about?
That definitely raises a critical question for our listeners. Okay, shifting gears a bit, what about other specialized sectors like heavy-duty or agricultural applications?
Equally significant shifts happening there, too. CE8, that's pronounced CEAT. They introduced the AgriTrail AgTrax and YieldMax tires at the Farm Progress Show. That highlights massive innovation in ag tires, really aimed at efficiency. And Bridgestone launched their W920 radial drive tire. That's their third Enlighten-equipped commercial tire just this year. So big advancements in fleet efficiency. And it's not just the tires, right? The equipment to service them is evolving too. Hunter Engineering unveiled the Maverick Pro tire changer. Thing can handle heavy assemblies like 19.5s, weighing up to 175 pounds. Anyone who's wrestled with a tire that heavy knows this isn't just equipment news. It's a huge step for shop ergonomics, probably saving a few bucks.
No doubt. So what does this all mean? That it's clear tires aren't just commodities anymore. They're becoming highly specialized solutions, which I guess opens up new service opportunities across the board. But like you said, it's not just about the rubber itself. The surrounding services, the market dynamics, they're changing fast too.
Precisely. And we're seeing the critical, though often overlooked, role of battery condition and diagnostics. Continental emphasized that. And the continued importance of TPMS service, your tire pressure monitoring system. Both Autel and Continental highlighted that. It's a good reminder that a good fix often starts before you even touch a scan tool. These are prime revenue opportunities right there. We're also seeing growing EV electric vehicle and 80, that's advanced driver assistance systems opportunities, reshaping revenue streams. This isn't just future tech anymore. It means new training, new tools, a shift in your service base, starting now, really, if you want to capture those future dollars.
Those are very tangible impacts.
Yep.
But looking maybe a bit broader, what about the strategic moves, the market itself?
Well, market consolidation is definitely accelerating. You see it exemplified by Sun Auto Tire and Service's rapid expansion. They just acquired Martin's Automotive, reaching 126 locations in Texas now, and opened a sixth Fossack location in Mobile, Alabama. Now, this isn't just a headline. For many independent shops, it's kind of a strategic ultimatum, isn't it? Are you positioned to compete with that scale? Or is it time to explore maybe niche specialization or even partnership opportunities? Then you've got Goodyear, a major global player. Recent leadership changes there. New EMEA head, America's president exit. That indicates potential shifts in strategy. How might that ripple through the industry?
Interesting. And what about the real-world costs for drivers? Something everyone feels.
Yeah, a very tangible and frankly kind of painful impact for a lot of people. Mavis Tire data revealed a 60% increase in flat tire repairs up in the Northeast, mostly due to winter road damage. That leads directly to increased costs for drivers. It's a stark reminder, that even with all this advanced tech, sometimes the simplest problems, like a flat from a pothole, are still costing millions. Is that just winter damage, though? Or are we seeing other factors? Changes in tire construction, maybe, or even driver habits?
It's fascinating, really, how interconnected everything is, from making sure your car battery is healthy to anticipating how corporate acquisitions might affect local services, and even how weather patterns can drive up repair costs for millions. We've taken a real deep dive today, uncovering these fascinating layers of innovation, strategic moves, and just practical reality shaping the tire industry right now.
It does raise an important question, though, looking forward. As tires do become more specialized and vehicles get ever more complex, how might the role of the local tire shop, your shop, transform entirely in the next, say, 5 years? What new skills, what new services, what's going to be non-negotiable for success in this evolving landscape?
Something to ponder as you hit the road. Until next time, keep digging, keep questioning, and keep learning.